残念ですね。大変ですね。ひどい話ですね。せっかくだったのにね。また頑張ろうね。はい、皆さんおはようございます。Good morning everyone. Kazue です。Everyday Japanese phrases. Today's lesson is day 26. The topic is What a pity. はい、so today I'm going to introduce you the What a pity related phrases. ね、はい、じゃあ始めましょう。1番。残念ですね。残念です。What a pity. ね、残念です。残念ですね。So being the compassionate are the ね。As I said, ね adding the nuance of share the same feeling or compassionate, sympathize ね。はい。So で残念。漢字は in 漢字 Today I just introduce you this 漢字 because it's quite useful to understand はい、残この漢字 this 漢字 means remaining and name is a notion, will, emotion ね So remaining emotion, remaining notion ねから悔しいからregrettable ねですねThat means from my side, oh, what a pity. ね、残念ですね。はい。ということで、please remember. それは惜しい。ね。もうちょっとだったのに、a little bit more, but I failed. 残念。ね。はい。ね。残念ですね。はい。OK? じゃあ、次行きましょう。2番。大変ですね。So again, being compassionate. 大変ですね。大変ですね。大変 kind of hectic or terrible ね。大変。So 大変 in 漢字 is this. 大きい change. It's a big change. ね、big.change ね、big change ですね。So when you have the big change in your life, that means kind of, oh, you're surprised, you're hectic, you're kind of upset, right? So 大変ですね。So you seeing the other party is being upset, then you say 大変ですね。ね、share the same feeling, compassionate, sympathize ね。大変ですね。はい。OK?So please remember this. じゃあ次行きましょう。3番。ひどい話ですね。ひどい means terrible, right? So ひどい話。OK? これ漢字で書きますね。話。ひらがな is 話 talk ですね。はい、ひどい means terrible ね、話 is talk or story ね、that's terrible story ですね、being compassionate ね、ひどい話ですね。So if you heard someone's story 聞いて please listen to me こんなひどいことがあったの This terrible story I heard バババババ and you heard that then say oh, being compassionateそれはひどい話ですね。ね、ひどい話ですね。大変ですね。ね、we say that. はい、OK かな ?OK、じゃあ次行きましょう。4番。せっかくだったのにね。せっかくだったのにね。せっかく。だったのにね。せっかくというのは、でせっかく means all the effort ね、all the way long I came here せっかく来た I came here all the way long with my effort せっかくね This opportunity is rare so this is a せっかくの occasion Usually it comes with noni or kind of reverse although but ねせっかくの機会せっかくのチャンスせっかくの機会 So this is kind of rare occasion with someone's effort ね So for example I live in Kobe near the Osaka then I went to Tokyo ねせっかく東京に来たTokyo is far from Osaka so I need to pay for the transportation fee and I have to spend my time So せっかく東京に来たたくさん遊ぼう I should play a lot because せっかく来たね I should do a lot of things ね Just only one reason then return to Osaka That is kind of もったいない such a pity, such a waste, right? So せっかく来たねせっかく来た because I put all my effort to come here I should do a lot of things ね So せっかくだったね It's a past tense It was the せっかく It's you put so much effort on it noni also ね but ね kind of share compassionate sympathize ね So it's a pity occasion you hear the story and then it was failed the person said and then you say せっかくだったのにねsuch a pity OK? はいじゃあ次行きましょう5番また頑張ろうねまた頑張ろうね So all the pity things happen then you need to encourage now ね encourage the person because the person must be kind of ねSo you need to encourage So 5番はまた頑張ろうね頑張ろうはいまた is again ねまた頑張ろうね頑張ろう頑張ります is I do my best 頑張って please do your best 頑張ろうは一緒に together、we do our best ね so kind of encouraging I will support you so please do our best 頑張ろうねね一緒にねということですね So please remember 頑張ります oneself I am the only person who do my best then 頑張って is to encourage someone but the person only the person will do her or his best ね So hang in there 頑張って do your best 頑張ろう is do our best I'm supporting you so together 頑張ろうねはいで again、do our best ね being with you compassionate ねはいということで So today I introduce you what the pity related phrase is ね So kind of being compassionate sympathize 残念ですね What the pity 大変ですね must be hectic must be tough ねですねね share the same feeling and ひどい terrible ひどい話ですね what a terrible story でせっかく is kind of rare chance rare occasion and put all the effort onto it then せっかくだった it was kind of rare chance のにね although ねせっかくだったのにね残念ですねねと言います。Then lastly, encourage the person. また頑張ろうね。ね。これはとても嬉しいですね。If you heard this phrase. ね。はい。Okay? Okay, that's all. And、let's practice. Okay, I'll share my sad story. So please be compassionate. ね。Saying this word. And lastly, encourage me.Okay? はい。聞いてください。Listen to me. 昨日私道で転んじゃって I fell and then I got a scar and 痛くてね、もうひどいんですよ。その後また雨が降ってきて after then it's a rain falls。 ひどかった。must be tough terrible story。Okay, so that's the、what you say 大変ですね。ひどい話ですね。で、あとこの残念は、あとちょっとの時。when a little bit more. So, 私ね、I do the 卓球、ね、テーブルテニス。ね、I went to the last tournament. すごいでしょ？すごいでしょ？でもね、最後のちょっとのところで last minutes I lost。悔しい。悔しい。はい。はい、ありがとう。そう、先週、last week, I went to Tokyo、ね、東京に行ったの。ね、これね、アイドルグループのコンサート。で、行ったんだけど、遅れちゃったのよ。I late. Then I couldn't enter the、concert hall. そうなんですよ。そうなの。でもまた行くから、また東京に行きますよ。またコンサートに行こうと思います。はい、OK, I think you do well. I'm sure. And thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed. If you like this lesson, please subscribe my channel and please hit the bell so that you get the notification when I post a new video. はい、again, thank you so much for watching and 見てくれてありがとうございます。じゃあまた明日。See you tomorrow. 良い一日を。またね。バイバイ。And if you want to learn Japanese more, please check my Japanese online course where you can learn basic Japanese, instant Japanese, conversational Japanese, and hiragana and katakana Japanese script with comprehensive worksheet, and learn Japanese with songs and JLPT N5 master course and the basic 150 kanjis and kanji on the street and more. So please check my Japanese online course as well.